everyone, it's me Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I tie my shoes with one hand, okay? Quick disclaimer, please ignore my nails. I broke 2 of my nails today and yesterday, but I'm getting them redone tomorrow, so ignore them, okay? 2 of them are going to be missing. But let's get into the video. So these are the shoes that I'm going to wear to the gym. They're really old. I always wear these shoes all the time because I don't really like sneakers. So to put the shoes on, I just sit down and literally just slide them on just like you guys do. If they fit perfectly, then they'll go on perfectly. And these do. So now I'm going to show you guys how I tie them. So these shoestrings are kind of small, so I don't usually double knot it, but I'm going to show you guys how to do my single knot. So, I have the shoestrings. I'm going to grab both of them and cross them like this. I'm going to take the back one, the front one, and bring it to the back and under the first one. So I just crossed it like that. Now I'm going to put my thumb on the cross that I just made. And I'm going to hold it down and take this finger to create a bow with this string in the front. Now I'm going to take the string in the back and I'm going to bring it in front of the bow I just made and underneath it. Now I'm going to take this finger and my thumb and my middle finger to pull the 2 bows that I just created. Like this. And then I'm just going to pull it on the other side to secure it. And that's how I tie my shoe. To make it tighter, if I want, I can double knot it. But these are kind of like really small strings, so there's no double knot in this. So I'll do the other one to show you guys. Put my foot in the shoe, like I said before, and I'm going to pull it like I did before. Grab the shoestrings, make the one that was in the front go in the back, cross it, pull it. Hold the middle, make a bow with the one on the left, take the one on the right and put it in the front of the bow I just made, tuck it underneath it, use my fingers to pull. And like I said, these shoestrings are really small, so they're coming out small, but they're nice and tight.